Hi everyone! Today we are going to work on setting up bleed lines when you're making stickers for people or any kind of print where you may need a bleed. So this is the image we're working with. This is already a vector, so we don't need to convert that or anything like this, but we do want a sticker we can cut to shape, and we don't want any white lines on it. So easy enough. What we're going to do first is I like to just select my image and move it over to the side. Go ahead and copy it, copy and paste. And then we're going to go to Pathfinder. If you don't have it on your side menu here, it will be in your window drop down menu, and then just hit Pathfinder. I have a Mac, so it might look a little different for you if you use a PC. But okay, so once we have Pathfinder up, we're going to select the entire image, and we're going to go and hit this one right here. It's like two solid squares. It's Unite. So we'll hit that one. And then you go up to Object, Path, when it's selected, Object, Path, and then Offset Path. So here you can there's different settings, you can kind of play with it. I usually do a round, just because I think it covers a little bit better. So you want to stick a little bit of a bleed on. So if you just imagine this inner blue line is the same as this, right? And we're going to want to cut along this line, but we also don't want any white in our image. So we'll give it just a little bit of excess on the outside. I might even bump that up to 3 to make sure we get everything in there. Round, if you have this selected, it'll preview it, which is really helpful, so you can see what you're doing. Hit OK, and then back here is your bleed, essentially. So what I like to do is I come over to my original art, select it all, right click, group, and then we're going to bring that to the very front, bring to front. And if you select your art and your bleed at the same time, you can go to your alignment tools, which again, that'll be in Window, Align, and center them on each other. So see, you can kind of see the outline of the original art and then your bleed in the back. So how do we get a cut line on this? Super simple. You go to your little inner part that you had when you were setting up your bleed and flip that to outline only. You do that over here. This arrow will go from solid, will fill, to stroke. So you set it on stroke, and then you go to your library or wherever you keep your cut contour and perf cut contour colors. Select the appropriate one, flip it to stroke, clear the fill. So now we have our pink line here, and then I like to bring that to the front. Select everything, go back to your Align tool, and once again hit the horizontal align center and the vertical align center, and you should be left with this. So if we zoom in, you'll see that this is going to cut, and you're not going to get any white in there because it's cutting in the middle of the black. So to finish it all up, I like to go to Object, Artboard, Fit to Artwork Bounds, and there we have it.